is going to rain today and then tomorrow. Let's harvest the leafy greens here. They are bolting. These are the white stuff. They are apricot flowers like this. There's an apricot like petal, and then this one too. I'll show you the apricot flowers. Beautiful. And then we have more here. This is the peach tree. These are the peach flowers or peach blooms. This one too. And then moving on here, a lot of flowering plant, like fruit bearing trees. These are lemon buds. And then here you can see the like a lemon flower. This one and this one too. And this is a pear tree. These are the pear flowers. This one too. This is like a rainy day harvest, but the rain has stopped. Four mung beans. Mung beans are perfect during rainy day. Perfect dinner on a rainy night. Now, so here's my garden harvest. Perfect timing. Now the rain is starting to pour down. As you can see, here's my harvest for our mung beans. And oh, this is hyacinth. We're having mung beans for dinner. Just cutting off the tip of the vegetables. And then I'll put water for now until I use them. This is a vegetarian version with bitter melon, tomato, and leafy greens from the backyard garden. Look at the beautiful flowers. I'm harvesting some lavender. I'm harvesting some green onions for Josh's breakfast. Eggs with cherry tomatoes and green onions. Look at the gorgeous cherry blossoms. So beautiful. Here are the blueberry flowers. But I'm here to harvest some green onions here. I have the tomatoes here. Let's add the eggs. There are two. I use like 2 eggs. The green onions from the backyard garden. And here you go.
There's no school. We need to do some gardening.
Yay!
Yippee! And I also could sleep all day.
Yes! You want to sleep all day?
Maybe.
Let's add the cherry blossoms in here to add onto our light tub. There you go. Pretty. Now Josh is enjoying a relaxing time. I am preparing our lunch. I just need to poke the eggplant so they don't burst in the oven. I am broiling the eggplant. And then I also need to cook. So yesterday we went to the Filipino market to get some fish. Tilapia for last night's dinner. I fried that. And husband also bought some side dishes from an Indian restaurant. The side dishes, vegetable side dishes.
Thank you, Josh. It looks like snowflake. Would you rather live on an island in the 18th century or in a kingdom in the medieval times?
Interesting. I like medieval times. I'm fascinated with medieval times, but at the same time, it seems like scary to live during those times. Maybe in an island.
Yeah.
How about you?
I would probably do the same as you.
Island? Yeah, because like medieval times, all the kingdoms were being attacked, right? Yeah. Putting this bucket.
Is it okay to eat during halftime?
Of course. Here's our lunch. Let's garnish the pompano with oregano from the backyard garden. And then we have the lemon and soy sauce dipping sauce here. We have eggplant and some like vegetables from the Indian restaurant. Let's eat. Josh, are you excited for the pompano?
Yes, pompano is one of my favorite fish to eat.
Okay, let's chow down. Now we're going to Starbucks. Starbucks stop first. Husband and I got caramel macchiato, and Josh is having. What are you having, Josh? Dragon fruit lemonade, even though it's like really cold right now. Okay, I'll get to get this one. Josh. Yes. I want to try this, Josh. It looks interesting. They look interesting. This one is like donut. Oh, it's gummy?
Yeah, it's gummy.
Oh, it has like sushi gummy. This one. I haven't tried this one. Oh, they have this. I like this one. The bourbon. I'll get one. The fish cakes. The different kinds of fish cakes and stuff. I've seen like something here. Aka miso soup. Miso soko, miso soup. A lot of miso soup. Wagyu. Back the wagyu. Back to the wagyu. Ooh, 126. 178. 180 over there. This is like beef wagyu. To that place, Agra Tandoori Indian restaurant. Here's the papadums with mint and a tamarind and then the pickled chutney. We're here at Indian Tandoori, Agra. Consistent tandoori, yum yum. And paneer. And fish. The fish. I can't remember what's the fish? Masala? Fish masala. What is this now?
That is naan bread.
Naan bread, the favorite. So here's our dinner. Having Indian food for dinner.
Yummy.
This is the rice pudding. Thank you, Lonnie. Have a great day. Thank you.
Yes.
I got the package. I got our package to unbox. I think this is for the like bathroom cleaner, glass cleaner.